how to fix YouTube Studio Mobile not showing earning. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix YouTube Studio Mobile not showing earning. So let's jump straight into it. You've just opened your YouTube Studio app, navigated to the earn section and nothing. The option simply isn't showing or your earnings are mysteriously absent. Now don't panic. This is a surprisingly common, usually temporary glitch with the app. And thankfully, there are some quick fixes you can try right now to get your numbers back. First, head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube Studio. It's crucial to make sure your app is running the absolute latest version. If an update is available, download it immediately, then restart the app and check your Earn tab again. If that doesn't solve it, let's clear out some old data. Go into your phone settings, find your apps or applications section. The exact path might vary slightly depending on your device. From there, locate and tap on the YouTube Studio app in your list. Now look for storage and then simply tap Clear Cache. This clears out temporary files that might be causing the glitch without affecting your actual data. Once the cache is cleared, reopen the YouTube Studio app and you should find your earnings option right where it belongs. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.